what we have in a small document, I think, is quite a powerful statement. It touches on all aspects of Institute life. It's around an integrated research agenda where the needs of Aboriginal kids are shared across the Institute. It isn't an assimilated one, so we still need to have a strong Aboriginal voice that runs right through that. And that's really a test for us as an institute to be able to not only hear that voice, but then be able to respond to it. There's a lot of voices out there and there's a lot of need. I think what we've got inside the commitment and within our strategic plan is an agreement on some 4 big areas of work that we want to concentrate on, and be able to really ask the bigger questions around some of the research that we've been involved in, like the WA Aboriginal Child Health Survey, an international standard of research, an Australian first, and here in Perth. 4 volumes of findings were created out of that. The challenge for us, though, is to take those findings and, in consultation and negotiation with those communities, bring those recommendations that were presented in those reports, for example, to life. And I think that's part of where we bring what we've been into the future. It also allows us to, I think, develop in a far more sustainable, ongoing way those relationships at a community and family level, which is quite critical to the commitment to Aboriginal families and children. You know, this community, this society of ours can't sustain, I think, the increasing levels of Aboriginal kids in the state's care as wards of the state, and similarly incarceration rates are beyond, I think, anyone's sort of belief. That clearly there's some work that we can make a positive contribution to around working with families to address those particular issues. So I think they're the sort of the things I'd point to as both current and some future. This is the Telethon Kids Institute. It is their institute, and these both plans are, in my view, a commitment or a contract that we give to the community to actually be more real to them, be more connected to them. And I think that's something that we've done well in the past, but we want to make that to be our standard of practice.